Alright, my name is Emmy Designs. Welcome to this video. So I'm going to explain introduction to Pixellab. When you enter Pixellab, this is the first thing you are going to see. These are the first things you are going to see in Pixellab. The one up here, the one up here, the one down here also. These are the things you are going to see. You are going to see on in the Pixellab. So after that, this one is just this icon here. This icon here is it work for when you want to change. Let me just show you one thing. Like you are working on a flyer, so you want to start another design of another stuff, then you click on this place, then click on this place here, this one here, then task screen. Then you can make a background by yourself. So that's the work of this one, and it shows your projects that you have saved, all the projects you've saved, the projects you work for. You can see these are all the projects I've worked on, all the projects I've worked on so far. So that's it. That's the work of that one. So the next one is the test one here. The test, this A icon. If you press this A icon, it shows tests and quotes. So if you want to type anything, any information, press this test, then you bring it to where you want to position it, to where you want to do the design, then write what you want on it. Just write something you want to write, and so that's it. Then it has the ways, it has things under it also, like edit. This edit here now, if you edit right now, if you want to edit the what you've written, what you've typed, if you want to edit it, that's the use of the edit. Then the use of this delete. If you want to delete it, just press delete. Let's press delete. So then this copy, if you want to duplicate it, then this front to front, this one is to front. So if you want to make the text to stay at the front or back, at the back of the text, under picture or anything, that's to front. You want to make it to stay at the front, of to back is more, you want to let it to stay at the back. So positioning, when you are designing, this one is position. When you are designing, or you have a text, you want to position it, and you don't want it to scatter. So just make sure you make use of it, position it anywhere you want. Say this is relative position. This is the relative position. Just be watching. This is relative position. This relative position is to make your text or any object to align together, either left, right, up, down, anyone, center, at the middle. So these are the use of the relative position. So this is text. This size is to increase the size of the text and to decrease the size of the text. This padding is the use of this one. Let me just show you the use of this one. Let me just show you. The use of this one is when you have just something like this. Let me just say something like this. Let me check here. Wait, let me check something. I'll just type something here. I'll just see. Let me just put something. Sorry. Okay, alright. When you type a text like this, you can see that it's cut here. It's cut here. Then you want to make it, you want to show all the things on it. Just you come to that pending. Just you can see that all the ones that that's cut out is coming back. So this one to the left, the right. So you can see that all the text is out already. Now check. Let me delete this. Here. Now check. You can see that this text here is complete. This text here is cut out. So that's the use of it. Then the next one is a color. If you want to choose color, you press the plus icon here. Press the plus icon, you choose your color. Then the gradient, there are many gradients here, there are many styles you can use for your designs. There are many styles you can use for your designs. So that's it for color. So the next one is texture. So this texture, if you want to carry, if you download any background and you want to use for any of your design, just place it in any position you want it. Then you put your texture. That's the use of texture here. That's the use of texture. You can see this one scale is just to make the thing you put inside to, let me just say, to make it big. So opacity is to fade your text, or to make your text bold. So that's it. So right now we are in a rotation. If you want to rotate your text or any object, this is the one you can use, rotation. Just see there, you see there. Okay, now mask. You want to make the text, you want to cut off the text like this, just enable it and bear this. You can copy another this thing. Let me do something just to show you guys how it's done. Then like something like this, I'll duplicate it, right? So I'm going to bring it out. So then that out I'm going to change the color to show you what I meant. And you can see that it's now a two color text. So that's how it's been done. So let's move on. Sorry. Okay, now let's move on. Now font is to choose these are the fonts that came with the Pixellab. These are the fonts, the basic fonts that came with this Pixellab. So the font I downloaded these are the fonts I've downloaded so far. So that's it. Then style is to make your text bold, slant, aligned. And if you want to cancel all the things you've done on it, you can just press this T/. So the next one is curve. You can make your text curve, like you want to make a date anyhow, you can make your text curve. So this one is background. Like you are making a design and you want to give it a background, instead of you instead of you to put a shape under it, you have to just press that background stuff. You can make it, you can the top say something like this, some like this, some. So you can, the edges can be curved, you can see it. So this is bottom, then this is bottom, this top, this right, you can see right, this is left, you can see. So that's it. Then align. This is align, to align whether, sorry, this is align whether left or right or center. This one is spacing, like you want to space. If the design is, let me just say the text or anything is like this, your text is like this, you can make it space out for it to be readable and all. So that's it. Then this one is, if you have a text, let me just show you what I meant. That's show you, let me just choose any that okay. If you type a text, then you just in, okay, line spacing, then the line like this, like something like this, is too much. Just go to line spacing, and you decrease it a little bit, just to your satisfaction. Just anyhow, just decrease it. So that's it. That's the work of line spacing. Then go to, sorry then we go to stroke. You want to add stroke to increase it, just increase, give it something. Anyhow, you can, gradient is there, it's a gradient, and that's it. So shadow, I want to put shadow, add shadow to it. To add shadow, make it go left or right. This one is go up and down, that's it. So this one, inner shadow, want to have, just get have something, just feel something just like this. Color, choose color, somehow color, anyhow. So that's it. That's the inner shadow all about. So emboss, sun is because it's a white color, so it has to cut out. So okay, this one is perspective. This perspective, just to, you can see, make your text. If you want to make your text to lie on the what is call it, the surface of your where you want it, anyhow you want it, just something to lie like this, like something like this, something, and just anyhow anyhow you want it, just anyhow, can set it anyhow you want it. So this one is for 3D, anyhow you want to be. So this 3D test, you have perspective, we have oblique, it's oblique, like this one is darkening the this one. This one, you can choose a color for it. Let me just look for a color. It's not okay. It's not okay. It's not okay. I think I'll make it dark. Okay, I'm darkening it, that's why it cannot show. Sorry, that's why it cannot show. Okay, so it's lighting. So that's it. That's just it. That's the use of it. Then this one is to set anyhow you want it. This one is turn 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 turn, and anyhow you want it. Okay, something like this, something like this, something like this, something like this. So anyhow you want it. That's the work of 3D test. And shadow, 3D shadow. If you want shadow to be under your this thing, what is called, under your test. So that's how to put it. Reflection. If you want to make your test like to reflect under a test, so that's the use of this one. So that's all about the test inbox. Okay, now sorry, I don't want to let this video to be too long. Okay, now let's move into this one here. I don't know how to call this. I don't know. But let's check the one at the middle, the icon at the middle. Okay, you have texture. Let me hear this. We have texture, we have import, we have texture, we have import, we have draw, we have shape, we have brazier, we have arrow. So the use of these ones, texture. If you want to add any texture to something like this, I think you have been seeing something like this, so you can choose from texture. If you don't want to make your own, as I said, you can choose from texture, then bring it up, down, and yeah, I want it. So that's it. So if you talk about this before, so that's the work of texture. And import. If you want to import any picture, any black background or anything, this one is to draw anything, just draw write something, just write something. Okay, then this one is shape. Choose your shape, any type. So choose a new one, choose press OK. Anyhow you want it, anyhow. Okay, then I have Brazier 2. So this Brazier 2 is to make your own shape. Any shape you want, you can use this Brazier 2 to do any shape. There are many videos about these Brazier 2s. Okay, let's go to arrow. This arrow, I don't use this arrow, so I don't know the work of it. So that's it. It's part of designs. Then let's move to this one. I don't want to make this. I don't want this video to be too long. So this one is color for the background. Change the color of the background. So change the color of the background. Students, choose anyone you want. Let me choose this one. If you want to change colors from here, tap this one, change the side color, side, and you have changed it. If you want to change, press this one, change this side, and choose blue to make it dark. Okay, let me press OK, then just press OK, okay. After that, press OK, then that's it. Same thing apply to this, just press the plus icon, and that's all. Okay, you come to transparent, Like if you work on a picture and you want it to be a PNG, just press transparent. Okay, image size. Instead of you should come here, image size, to type the size you want. Just press this image size. Sorry, just press this image size and you type the size you want. Then image, this one's just something like background. These are the let me just say these are just like the first thing you see in when you enter Pixellab. The same thing applies to this too. The same thing. Okay. Then from image, once you carry, you want to get your background or anything from image, just from camera, snap picture, anything. So that's it. That's the work of that. Then you come here, come to this icon. And this icon it has rotate, vignette, noise, and other things. Yeah, this rotates to just rotate your background. I don't know. This one is beginning to make the edges dark. So I think this one works on this thing. This one is a noise, just to give it a small noise, do something, and it looks creative too. And use it for this for your designs also. So thanks for the designs, and this one also is a good thing. And use it for your background. Imagine just something like this, and just make it. You want to make it big, you want to make it small. Yes, you can use this one to make background also. This one to make background also. So brightness, give brightness, darkness, brightness, darkness. Okay, now this one is contrast. Want to just make it contrast. This is huge. And your background, you imported your background and you want to change the, so that makes the color on it. So if the color you want is not on it, so just go to view and do it. So this one is a saturation. Just this one is saturation. Sorry, the video is getting too long. Okay, I think we have talked about all the things in Pixellab, except these ones. They are also the same thing as the ones we've talked about here, but not all. Then if you want to save your designs, just press here, save as projects, save as image. Then this plus icon is for you to press test, just something similar to this. So this also is something similar to that. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and God bless you. Thank you very much. This is Emmy Designs. Thanks.